how to delete wallet on BullX. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to remove your EMV wallets or even your withdraw wallets over here. That's actually very simple. Simply select the specific wallet that you want to remove. Click on the three dots and there should be an option here, delete wallet. So if it's a wallet that came from BullX, what you could do is you could only archive it. But if it's a wallet such as Phantom Wallet or other external wallets that you have connected, it should appear as delete wallet over here. Similarly, with our withdraw wallets over here, it's going to show you delete. So you can simply delete your wallet just like that. And you can easily remove a wallet from your BullX.io. Now, if you want to reconnect or add them again, you can check out your archive over here for the EMV wallet over here. You can restore it. And for your withdraw wallets, you're going to have to start over when you click on add wallet over here. And then you're going to have to wait for the 3 hours again for the verification. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.